you through the process step by step. Start by logging into Ledgers24 HRMS. Click on the HRMS section, then scroll down to select the offer letter option and then click on Create Offer Letter option. After clicking, the offer letter interface will open, where you need to fill in some mandatory information. Let's go through each required field and information. Company code, this will be filled in automatically. Offer ID, this will be generated automatically after you submit the offer letter. Initial, select the candidate's initial from the options provided. Applicant name, enter the candidate's full name. Applicant address, fill in the candidate's address. Mobile number, enter the candidate's mobile number. Email ID, enter the candidate's email address and SAM mail ID will be used by system for sending the offer letter. Professional tax state, choose the applicable state from the list for professional tax. If professional tax is applicable, then system will be calculate PT for salary breakup automatically. Grade, select the appropriate grade predefined masters. Designation, select the appropriate designation from the predefined masters. Joining date, enter joining date the employee is expected to start. Joining location and time, fill in the joining location and time. Head consultant name, fill head consultant name. Manager selection, choose the manager's name or code to whom the selected candidate will report. Notice period, select the notice period according to company policy. Pay code, this is a crucial part of the offer letter and system pick salary structure from predefined pay code masters as per level and grade of selected candidate. Once pay code is selected, system will populate salary structure automatically. Employment type, select the employment type, such as probationary employee, confirmed employee, or temporary staff. After that, you can view offer letter before saving the data by click on the View option to see the draft offer letter in PDF format. If you are OK with the draft offer letter, you can go ahead and submit it. And the system will send the complete and final offer letter to the candidate, along with joining instructions.